Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Traefik on a DigitalOcean VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To disable Traefik on your DigitalOcean VPS, start by connecting to your server. Use an SSH client to access your VPS. Enter your server's IP address and your username. Once connected, input your password if prompted. Make sure you have sufficient permissions to make changes, preferably as a root user. Next, check the status of the Traefik service. Run the command sudo system status Traefik. This will show you if Traefik is currently active or running. If you see that it's active, you can proceed to stop the service. To stop Traefik, run the command sudo system stop Traefik. This will halt the running instance of Traefik on your server. To prevent Traefik from starting automatically on system boot, run the command sudo system disable Traefik. This ensures that Traefik won't start up the next time you reboot your server. Now you can verify that Traefik has been disabled. Run the command sudo system status Traefik once again. You should see that it is now inactive. If you want to remove Traefik completely, you can do that with a package manager. Run the command sudo apt remove Traefik if you installed it via apt. Confirm the prompt to remove the package. Finally, check to ensure that Traefik has been uninstalled. Run Traefik in the terminal. You should see a message indicating that the command is not found. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled Traefik on your DigitalOcean VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.